The last 5 years of my life have been pretty chaotic. So, the next month or so, I'm in the process of moving my office one more time. Lord willing, just one more time. And what we're going to do, instead of my weekly lectures in sort of a formal way early in the morning, I am going to pre-record some shorter version Cliff Notes without the personal commentary, I believe. They'll be much shorter. Hopefully they're still educational and of somewhat entertainment value, because the mission continues. In the meantime, I do have one important announcement, sort of an urgent broadcast. My last urgent broadcast got taken down by TikTok. Let's see what happens with this one. I don't know if you guys follow the news or not, but this week is expected, there is expected to be a strike amongst the port workers. Like, why do you care, right? You care because most of the medicines that we make, or I should say that we prescribe, are not made in America. They're made in other countries and have to be shipped to us. And that means they have to come through a port. Do y'all see the chaos in this? You should have seen it. You should have seen it yesterday. It was worse. I said, oh my God. Anyway. So those medicines come through a port. And if the port is closed, guess what's not going to come into the country? It's going to be a prescription. So my public service announcement to everyone is this. First of all, keep your eye on the news. I don't want to send panic into anyone. There hasn't been a port worker strike since the 70s. However, my understanding is that the current administration is not really being proactive with that union. I do not know the details on the grievance, except I know that is a very important aspect of our lives, much more so than it would have been in the 70s. So the implications of a strike, even a very short one, can be long feeling, so to speak. If you have a chronic medical illness and you require certain medications, I might suggest that you ask your physician for a 3-month supply at a local pharmacy that you can pick up now. I don't know that I would trust it to be mailed, only because they may take their sweet time getting to it, and by the time they get to your prescription, well, the shortage has occurred. Now, this is medicine you're going to use anyway, and so if this strike doesn't occur, you've got medicine just in case. I might also suggest, and again, not to cause stress amongst anyone, but think in your life of the things that you like and that you love and that you use, that you repurchase frequently, that might have a overseas origin. And those things too might be in short supply. Now, again, it may not happen. But my public service announcement is, please do not get ill because of political strife and unrest. It's always a good idea to have access to the things that you need. Anyway, so one of the things I hope you need is me. And because I am going to be dealing with a number of things this month, and in fact, at the end of next month, I've got some medical issues that I'm going to be dealing with. So intermittently, you will see, instead of live broadcasts on Thursdays, you will see recorded things in a shorter format that I just post. And we'll post to all of our locations of service. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good fall, and welcome to October. And I can't believe where the time was gone this year, but we'll see you along the way.